Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Living in Texas Realty. I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice. And today we have something truly special in store for you. We're taking you on a tour of the magnificent model home by Grand Homes in the prestigious Silverleaf Estates, right here in beautiful Frisco, Texas.
Are you searching for a family-friendly neighborhood that offers the best of Frisco living? Well, look no further than Silverleaf Estates. This incredible community has everything you need, from fantastic shopping to community parks and easy access to schools. It's the perfect place to call home.
And speaking of finding your dream home, Grand Homes has truly outdone themselves with this model. Prepare to be amazed by their thoughtful designs featuring open concept living areas, spacious bedrooms, home offices, game rooms, media rooms, craft rooms, second master suites, and even children's retreats. They've truly considered every member of your family in creating these stunning homes.
So without further ado, let's dive right on in and explore this grand Silverleaf model. This luxurious home offers a spacious 3,898 square feet and goes all the way up with options to 4,537 square feet, providing ample room for you and your family to grow and thrive.
With 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms, this home ensures everyone has their own private space. And let's not forget the 1/2 bathroom for added convenience. The primary suite is conveniently located downstairs, offering a tranquil retreat for the homeowners.
Now let's talk about the living areas, with not 1, not 2, but 4 separate living areas. You'll never run out of space to relax and entertain. And with 2 dining areas, you'll have plenty of room to host those memorable family gatherings and dinner parties.
This stunning 2-story home comes with a 3-car garage, providing ample space for your vehicles and storage needs. Grand Homes also offers exciting floor plan options to customize your dream home even further.
For those needing additional space, the first option is to add bedroom number 5. With this option, you'll have even more room for guests or a growing family. The square footage increases to 4,128, and the price range starts at $1,432,900.
But why stop there? Grand Homes has another option that includes adding a media room and that bedroom 5. Now you can enjoy movie nights and have the flexibility to accommodate larger families. This option increases the square footage to 4,537 square feet, with a price range starting at $1,487,900.
Now, for those who prefer a unique twist, you can choose to add a life space in lieu of that 3rd-car garage. Imagine having a versatile space that can be transformed into a home gym, an art studio, or a cozy reading nook. This option comes at an additional cost of $12,000. Talk about a bargain.
And finally, for those looking for a little extra room to relax and unwind, you have the option to add a loft. This bonus space can serve as a home office, a playroom, or even a quiet sanctuary. With the loft, your square footage increases and the price range goes up by $17,000.
So as you can see, this model home offers not only exceptional design and quality, but also the flexibility to customize it to your specific needs. Grand Homes in Silverleaf Estates truly has something for everyone.
We hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek into the fantastic features and options available to you. If you're ready to find your perfect place to call home, don't hesitate to call, text, or email us, or simply click on the link below to our dream home form and experience the magic firsthand.
Yeah, so if you're looking for that new home in Frisco or any of the surrounding areas, we have got you covered and we get exceptional deals. So definitely take advantage of all of our contacts in the new construction area and hit us up on that dream home form for sure.
And it'd really help us out if you hit that like button and that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Living in Texas Realty, and we know what it is that you want to see. And remember, whether you're buying, selling, or simply exploring the best real estate Texas has to offer, we're here to guide you every step of the way.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.